Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to our online English class. I know that you all are at home and you have to study at home. Today we are going to study New Oxford Modern English Book 1. This is the exercise of unit number 3 at the farm. A comprehension. Answer the following questions. Question A. Where are the children? बच्चे कहाँ हैं? The children are visiting the farm. बच्चे फार्म की सैर कर रहे हैं. Question B. Who is playing with the kittens? कौन बिल्ली के बच्चों से खेल रहा है? मरियम is playing with the kittens. मरियम बिल्ली के बच्चों के साथ खेल रही है. क्वेश्चन सी. व्हाट इज़ द डॉग डूइंग? कुत्ता क्या कर रहा है? द डॉग इज़ बार्किंग एट द कैट. कुत्ता बिल्ली पर भौंक रहा है. क्वेश्चन डी. वाई आर द चिकन्स लुकिंग फॉर वर्म्स? चूजे कीड़े मकोड़ों को क्यों तलाश कर रहे हैं? दे आर हंग्री. वो भूखे हैं. In the exercise question number 2, use the words from the story in the blanks. Sami and Nida are dash the horses. Riding. Mariam is dash with the kittens. Playing. The dog is dash at the cat. Barking. The tractor is dash fast. Going. The farmer is dash the tractor driving. B. Working with words. Add ing to the following action words. Examples: run, running, two N's, sit, sitting, two T's. Students, ing ऐड करते हुए हम लास्ट लेटर को यहाँ पे डबल करेंगे. जैसे कि रन था तो रनिंग करते हुए 2N यहाँ पे हमने लगाए. सिट से सिटिंग बनाया जब तो फिर हमने 2T का यहाँ पे एडिशन भी किया. हिट, हिटिंग, पुट, पुटिंग, फिट, फिटिंग, पैट, पैटिंग, रब, रबिंग, डिप, डिपिंग, खट, खटिंग, hop, hopping, sip, sipping, tap, tapping. C. Learning about language. Put these words into the correct boxes. The words are shoe, playing, tomato, tooth, rubbing, desk, buy, take, boy, sing, see, pencil. Here we have two columns. First for things and second for actions. First of all, we will find out the things. Let's see. Shoe, tomato, tooth, desk, boy, pencil. Now actions: playing, rubbing, buy, take, sing, see. D. Listening and speaking. Talk about the pictures given below. Which is fast, which is slow? Here are some vehicles, and we have to find out fast and slow. Horse, motorbike, racing car, tortoise, plane, baby. First of all, we will write fast, motorbike, racing car, plane, horse. Now slow, tortoise, baby. Fill in the crossword below with the words for vehicles. Follow the pictures, clues given below. Here are some vehicles, and we have to fill the crossword. In the crossword, the bold letters are T, R, A, N, S, P, O, R, T. It's transport. We have to fill it number wise. And first is train, second truck, number third car, fourth van, fifth bus, sixth plane, 7 boat, 8 tram, 9 auto. Next, number 2 is my family, male and female. Can you put the words following into the list? Grandmother, mother, brother, boy, girl, man, father, sister, woman, uncle, aunt, grandfather. Students, it is the list of our family, and we have to find out male and female. So this is the column in which we have right. Okay, male, man is male and woman is female. So we will write here grandfather, brother, boy, man, father, uncle. In female column, we will write grandmother, mother, girl, sister, woman, aunt. After completing this chapter from textbook, we will start workbook of unit number 3 at the farm. A. Action words. Here are some action words. Add ing to the following. The same activity we have taken from the workbook. Okay. Fan, fanning, let, letting, set, setting, clap, clapping, get, getting, rob, robbing, trip, tripping, shop, shopping. More action words. Look at the pictures below. Fill in the blanks. Okay. In the first picture, and the first fill in the blanks, the man is dash a kite. What is he doing? He is flying a kite. So action word is flying. The girl is dash a jeep. So the action word for girl is driving. The woman is dash a cup of tea. Okay. The action word is bringing. The boy is dash a flag. Boy is waving a flag. The fish is swimming. The fish is swimming. See vowels. Fill in the missing vowels. All the words are from the story in your textbook. Remember vowels: I, E, A, E, I, O, U. It is a very simple and easy fill in the blanks. So SUNDAY, Sunday. RIDING, riding. HORSES, horses. VISITING, visiting. WORMS, worms. FIELD, field. FARMER, farmer. KITTENS, kittens. BARN, barn. TRACTOR, tractor. So students, in this lecture our focus will be on question answer, objective and on dictation.